Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So losing access to your LinkedIn account can be really frustrating, especially if you don't have access to the email address or your phone number that is linked to your account. Maybe you have changed your email address or you no longer have access to your old phone number and now you cannot actually log back in your LinkedIn account. But don't worry, there are some of the easy ways to recover your LinkedIn account without needing that email and your phone number. In this video, I will show you step by step how to recover your LinkedIn account using some alternative method. But before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources mentioned in this video down in the description box. Now without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in the first method, we are going to use LinkedIn's account recovery options. So once you launch your LinkedIn mobile application, your welcome page should look something like this. If you have previously logged in just like I did, it will show you all of your LinkedIn user profiles just like so. But you can either select any of these previously used profiles, or you can simply tap on the option that says sign in using another account. I would recommend you to select this third option. Once done, you will be landed on this login page. Now over here, instead of login, you just have to tap on this forgot password option, and in order to verify your identity, it is going to ask you for your email address and your phone number. Now if you don't have an access to any of these, you can skip this step and look for the link that says try a different way. LinkedIn will send you an email with the instructions on how you can basically recover your account, and this was our first method or first step that you can try. Now in the second method, you can directly request LinkedIn support to actually recover your account. For that, you will need to have a web browser. So you can open any of your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device. After opening it, you just have to simply use the search bar in the bottom or in the top, and here you just have to just search for LinkedIn. After LinkedIn, I would recommend you to type help as well. So once you type LinkedIn help, you will be able to see the first link from LinkedIn that with the name LinkedIn help. So once you are on this page, you just have to scroll down and tap on the option of contact us, or you can even just try to find their email address or any of the contact details that could help you to connect with them. So here you need to select the option of account access or login issues, and LinkedIn is going to basically ask you to fill out a form with the information about your account. So you will be able to explain that you don't have access to your email address and your phone number, and now you want to recover your account without those. They may ask you about the information about your user profile, so you need to provide those and submit the form. Once it is done successfully, the LinkedIn support team is going to review your request and send you further instructions via email, because in the submission of that form, you will have to provide the conversational email. So in the conversational email, make sure that you provide that particular email which you already have an access of. Now you need to verify your identity. So LinkedIn might ask you to verify your identity to make sure that you are the rightful owner of your account. This can be done by submitting a photo ID like your passport or your driver's license through the LinkedIn's secure verification process. They may also ask you to answer some security questions based on the information that you have provided. So you just have to do any of these and you will be able to get your account without providing the email address and phone number. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. You can leave a comment below if you have any questions or any further help you need. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.